Alright guys, since I am not here today, I wanted to do a quick recap video like we would normally do if I was in class. So first off, at the top of the board there is your homework for tonight. You see your book problems and your 6-3 video notes. So make sure you get both of those done. They are already posted on Classroom. They're posted on the sideboard. So no excuses, make sure they're done. Okay, your video last night was about finding percentages mentally. So we're going to go through a couple examples. I'm going to go a little fast since it's just a recap, but remember you can come back and replay it if you need to. So our first example, finding 10% of 88. So 10% means we're just going to move our decimal one place to the left. So 10% of 88 would be 8.8. Now applying that idea, if I wanted to find 30% of 90, my 10% would be 9, because if I move that decimal once. So 10 to 3, we want to multiply by 3. So 9 times 3. 30% of 90 would be 27. You guys don't need to write any of this down. You just need to follow along. I should have said that at the beginning. All right, third one, 25% of 56. Remember, 25% means divide by 4. So if I take 56 divided by 4, I would get that 25% of 56 is 16. Sorry, I'm at 14. Okay, and then applying that, 75% will be divide by 4 to find 25%, and then multiply by 3, because 75% is 3 25%. So 12 divided by 4 gives us 3, and then 3 times 3 gives us 9. So 75% of 12 would be 9. All right, 3 more examples. 200% of 52, that falls into our 100%. So 100% of 52 is 52. So 200% would be 52 times 2, which is 104. And number 6, 5% of 40. This is half of 10%. So if 10% of 40 is 4, because we move the decimal once to the left, then half of 4, our 5% is 2. So 5% of 40 is 2. And number 7, 33 1/3% of 60. Think about this 1/3 here. That means we're going to divide by 3. So 60 divided by 3 tells us that 33 1/3% of 60 is 20. And last one, 120% of 42. We're going to break this up. 100% of 42 is 42. Then our 20% would be 10% of 42, which is 4.2. So times 2 tells us that 20% is 8.4. So then we add our 42 and our 8.4 together to get 120% is 50.4. Okay, that was going back through a couple examples of how to find different percentages mentally. So for the rest of the class period, you are going to work on your team huddle with your partner. Make sure you are only working with your partner. None of you are to be moving. When you finish that, check your answers. If they're not correct, please fix them. If they are correct, awesome. Hopefully they are. After you've checked all your answers, you're going to work on the lesson practice. It's a worksheet. Please make sure you get it. It's due by the end of class. I am going to grade it. You will be getting a classwork grade for today, so make sure you turn it in even if it is not finished. You should be working on that individually. You may absolutely go back through your notes. Please go back through your notes if you're stuck on anything. Then last, if there's anything or any time left in class, go ahead and work on your homework. Remember, there's the book work and the video. All right, guys, hope you have a good day.